Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to share with you my Christmas flip book that I made based on this one right here, that I did a video on this one, but I didn't show how I made this flip book. And at the end of the video, I said that I would make one for Christmas, and here it is. This is the Christmas flip book that I made, and I will show you guys how I made this flip book here after I'm done showing you how I decorate this flip book. So I have a green ribbon right here. So I use 4 greeting cards to make the flip book, and plus I use 2 more cards. I just cut the front part and then I glue over here in the front part of my flip book and on the back. And then I use gold washi tape and I punch a few flowers to glue in here. So the left and the right has the same papers, and this is a pocket. I glue in here a piece of cardstock, and then on top I glue the same paper in here, and then I apply a washi tape. The same thing I did with this is a pocket right here too. So in this other page, I just glue the red cardstock all over, because as you can see, I glue a red cardstock on top of this, and then I left a little bit showing off, and there's the green parts of the leaf. I didn't want this to show off in this one, so I just cover all the way through, and then I glue another piece of cardstock with the Season's Greeting stamp. Then I apply this ribbon, washi tape, and then 2 of these stickers that I got from dollar store. And on the back of this page, I glue this other paper, and then I made a pocket right here, and I apply the gold washi tape and the gingerbread man sticker. And then in this other page, I decided to make a red Christmas tree with a paper punch. So it turned out very cute. And then I glue stickers letters in here, which this one is already coming off. So I just have to replace in here. Then on top of the Christmas tree, it's a foam star. And then I glue this one with the green cardstock. And right here, I glue this polka dot green paper. And then I stamp the little gifts, and then I color, and then I cut, and then I glue in here. And then I apply stickers all over the ribbon. And turning this page, it is the same thing as I did with this one right here. There is a pocket in here. And this side, I decided to go with the snowman. And then right here in the middle, I just decided to go with the holly berry paper. And I decided not to glue anything in here. And right here on the back of this page is another holly berry paper that I glue in here. So on the bottom, there is a piece of cardstock. And then I glue over here a red cardstock, and then I apply the gold washi tape. And then I got these stickers at Savers. So this is the pocket, and this is the back part of the flip book, which I chose the glue the polka dot cardstock in here, and then on top just glue the front part of the greeting card that I used to make this flip book. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I made it. So here I have a scoreboard, and here I have 4 greeting cards that I got from dollar store. And then 2 of these cards I'm going to score. So I've just placed the card right here. So from the score line that came with the card, I am going to count 1, 2, 3. So right here, I'm going to score a line. So as you can see, there is the score line that came with the card, and then I score right here. I am going to do the same thing with this one. There is the middle score line, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to score the second line. And this is all you need with the scoreboard. And now I have right here the 2 cards that I folded on a score line. And then I went with my bone folder like that. I did this with the other card too. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this part right here with this one. As you can see, this is the middle score line that came with the card. And this is the one that I just made. So I'm going to apply glue and then I'm going to glue right here, like that. And as you can see, this is the score line that I made. It's going to be like this. So don't apply glue all the way through. So leave this part without glue. And there you go. The first part is done. Now these are the 2 cards. I'm going to glue them the same way. So this one is going to be glued right here. But before that, I'm going to cut just a little bit, both of them, before I glue in here. So here I have my trimmer. So be sure it is straight. Same thing I will do with this one. And now I'm going to apply glue right here. And then I'm going to glue this back part right here in the middle. So as you can see, it's gonna be like that. This is just an idea for you to use it with your green tea cards. There is left from Christmas, from birthdays, so you can just create it a flippy book that you can use it to store little things that you want, or you can share with your friends, or you can use it as a mini photo album. And it's pretty simple and easy to make it. Now I just need to decorate. If you are going to use a ribbon to close your flip book, you need to glue the ribbon now in both sides. And then you glue the piece of cardstock on top. And then you can just decorate the way that you want. So here is some papers that I'm going to decorate my flip book with it. I chose this one to be the cover and to be at the back of the flip book. So before I glue this paper in there, I'm going to glue a ribbon. So here I have a piece of red ribbon So you just get a big enough ribbon that you can tie a bow after to close your flip book. And now I am going to glue the ribbon right here, and then I'll be right back. As you can see, I glued the ribbon in both sides. I'm going to glue this paper on the front and this other one on the back. As you can see, it's a little bit short because I want a little bit of the red to be showing. And you can glue this with a double-sided tape or with just the art glitter glue if you want. Now I'm going to glue the back part. Now I'm going to glue the papers in this both sides and in this middle part, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after I done glue out these 3 pages, I just decided to go ahead and glue all the other pages too. So this one, I just decided to not edit anything besides just a picture of these 2 little bunnies. And the papers that I'm using to glue on the flip book is from these papers right here. It's by Paper Studio. This one is the Very Merry Christmas, and I use quite a few of this already. And this one is Woodland Wonderland. So there is quite a few papers left in here. And the little picture right here is from one of the papers in here that comes with the cut parts. So the 2 little bunnies right here. So now I need to finish this page. I'm going to edit a pocket right here, and then I'll finish the flip book cover. So here it is, the part that I'm going to use it to make the pocket. And I'm going to glue to this side, same as I did with this other 2. So right here and this other one. And I'm going to glue the same way. Now I'm going to use this washi tape. And now I'm going to use some of these stickers in here. So I'm going to just put the Santa Claus right here. And then I'm going to edit another Santa Claus in this other page. Maybe I could put this one right here with the gift. And this other one right here. So cute. I'm going to add the stocking right here. And this other one right here. And right here, it's all done. And now I just need to finish this part. And I cut the front page of the card. And I'm going to glue right here. And this is the back part of the flip book. So now I'm going to edit this washi tape right here. Now I'm going to edit the little stars. Then I'm thinking about edit Santa Claus right here. And there you go, it's all done. I just love the way this Christmas flip book turned out. It's so cute. In this page, I'm not gonna edit anything. I'm just gonna leave as it is. And in here, I just glue 2 of the cut out pictures that came with it. And I love these little pockets right here. And here is the other one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!